We are changing the oil on the 2011 650 Ninja today. Stay tuned. Okay, first things first, there is a 17 millimeter bolt that is on the right hand side of the bike just in front of the muffler. Go ahead and crack that loose, then take off the bolt and don't lose that crush washer. That's pretty important. You can then let the oil drain out into an oil pan until you get a very slow drip or no drip, and then you can plug it back up as you see in this example right here. Perfect. After I'm done with the drain bolt, I will move over to the oil filter and crack that loose as well and pretty much do the exact same thing. I'll unscrew it and let it drain. And while I'm letting this drain, I will go back to the drain bolt and I'll tighten it up just to make sure it's nice and snug. And then I'll do the exact same thing with the oil filter. Of course, always don't forget, put oil on that ring to help that seal when you put the new oil filter back on, and then tighten it up. Now this bike calls for about 2 quarts of oil. I definitely drained it where it needed the full 2 quarts. So make sure you manage that as you go through this process. But what you want to do is you look at the sight glass on the side of the bike and you want to make sure that that oil is above that lower line and not and below that top line. So right in the middle of those 2 lines. I went ahead and ran the bike when I thought it was in an appropriate level. And you can see here after I let the bike, I ran it for about 2 minutes and then I let it rest for about 5 minutes. And you can see the oil has not come to a position where it made me feel comfortable. So I definitely needed to add more oil. My guess is some of you are smarter than me and can probably do this the first time and get it right. For me, it's always a process. So if you're like me and you have to constantly just feed it to make sure you get it right, hey, you and me, we're at the same level. But anyway, that's how you change the oil on a 650 Ninja. Pretty simple. Of course, mine was a little easier because I don't have all the plastics on, but thanks for watching. Hope it was instructive. Please like and subscribe. Always appreciate the love. Have a great one.